EET 114, Chapter 25, continued. Pulse repetition rate and duty cycle. We are going to cover this. A pulse train is the pulse repetition frequency, PRF, or pulse repetition rate, PRR, defined by this. It's 1 over the period in hertz. The shape of the periodic pulse does not affect the determination of the pulse repetition frequency. So the duty cycle is the pulse width of one pulse divided by the period times 100. You could also write it as TP divided by T times 100. Duty cycle provides a percentage indication of the portion of the total period encompassed by the pulse waveform. So what does that mean? Well, with my job, a lot of things that we do, we do a lot of welding. Some of the welding machines are rated for 100% duty, some of them for 60% duty, and so forth. The duty cycle is typically over, I think, a 3-hour period is the industry standard, but it means that how much can it run during, say, a 3-hour period? So if it's 100%, it could run continuously for 3 hours. If it's 60%, it's only going to be 60% of 3 hours, and so forth. Average value is the duty cycle times the peak value plus the quantity 1 minus the duty cycle times the base voltage. All right, that baseline voltage that we talked about.